Yet another owner has reported having problems mere miles after picking up their brand new, low-resolution electric pickup. The owner picked up his brand new Cybertruck from Tesla's Pensacola service center. Just 35 miles later, after stopping at a supercharging station, the Cybertruck starts leaking cooling while charging. Owner called Tesla service. First they told they don't cover coolant leaks under warranty, telling the owner of a new vehicle they just picked up that's leaking coolant. That the defect is not covered by the warranty is some next level stuff. It's even more wild since this is well within the warranty period. It's a brand new truck. Delving into the Cybertruck's warranty, you'll see that even with its basic vehicle limited warranty period of 4 years or 50,000 miles, this should have been covered. The owner provided visual proof that the coolant leak didn't start until the truck was charging.